Ethereum cost in every practical sense, equivalent to $1,820.62 a coin in an unpretentious manner. The present exchange cost range, $1,811.01–1,825.78 in an unobtrusive way. The earlier day close, $1,821.54 in an unobtrusive way. The change in every practical sense was 0.92, 0.05% amazingly. Converse rate, USD to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost $18.21, truly greatest 1948, kind of least 1694, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, April 4, cost $18.50, all things considered, greatest 1980, really least 1721, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost $18.51, genuinely most extreme 1981, genuinely least 1721 in a genuinely significant way. Ethereum figure on Thursday, April 6, cost $18.72, really most extreme 2003, kind of least 1741 in a by and large significant manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, April 7, cost $19.34, truly most extreme 2069, truly least 1799. In multi-week Ethereum estimate on Monday, April 10, cost $18.69, kind of greatest 2000, especially least 1738, showing how Ethereum figure on Tuesday, April 4, cost $18.50, lovely most extreme 1980, fundamentally least 1721 in a by and large significant manner. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost $19.03, by and large most extreme 2036, especially least 1770 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, April 12, cost $18.95, especially most extreme 2028, especially least 1762, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, April 13, cost $18.27, extremely greatest 1955, especially least 1699 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, April 14, cost $19.09, truly most extreme 2043, exceptionally least 1775 in a sort of large manner. In about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost $18.37, extremely greatest 1966, genuinely least 1708, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost $19.10, beautiful most extreme 2044, by and large least 1776 in a sort of significant manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost $18.60, greatest 1990, kind of least 1730, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Ethereum figure on Thursday, April 20, cost $18.83, truly greatest 2015, genuinely least 1751 in a quite huge way. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $18.51, especially greatest 1981, by and large least 1721. In 3 weeks Ethereum figure on Monday, April 24, cost $19.79, in every way that really matters, greatest 2118, kind of least 1840, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost $2,004, sort of most extreme 2144, especially least 1864 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, April 26, cost $19.46, certainly greatest 2082, exceptionally least 1810, which in a real sense is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $19.74, genuinely greatest 2112, truly least 1836, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Ethereum figure on Friday, April 28, cost $20.85, fundamentally most extreme 2231, kind of least 1939 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $22.48, essentially greatest 2405, truly least 2091 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost $22.97, kind of greatest 2458, lovely least 2136, exhibiting how Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $19.74. Sort of most extreme 2112, sort of least 1836, which sort of is very critical. USD to ETH swapping scale genuinely equivalent to 0.5493 coins per $1,000 in a very enormous manner. Today, S reach 0.5477-0.5522, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The past day, S nearby 0.5490, exhibiting how Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost $1903. Certainly greatest 2036, extremely least 1770 in a truly significant way. Change for now plus 0.0003, plus 0.05%. USD to ETH cost conjecture for in the not-so-distant future and month in an especially huge manner. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Monday, April 3, cost 0.549 coins, genuinely greatest 0.590, least 0.513 in a truly significant way. USD to ETH expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost 0.541 coins, all things considered, greatest 0.581, least 0.505 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, April 5, cost 0.540 coins, kind of most extreme 0.581, especially least 0.505, which in a real sense is very critical. USD to ETH expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.534 coins, especially greatest 0.574, especially least 0.499. So Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, April 6, cost $1872, most extreme 2003, truly least 1741, or so they basically thought. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Friday, April 7, cost 0.517 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.556, truly least 0.483, which in every practical sense is very huge. In multi-week USD to ETH expectation on Monday, April 10, cost 0.535 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.575, kind of least 0.500, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.525 coins, sort of greatest 0.565, in every practical sense, least 0.491, or so they in a real sense thought. USD to ETH forecast on Wednesday, April 12, cost 0.528 coins, for the most part greatest 0.568, really least 0.493 in an extremely huge way. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Thursday, April 13, cost 0.547 coins, especially most extreme 0.589, exceptionally least 0.512, exhibiting the Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, April 7, cost $1934, greatest 2069, exceptionally least 1799, which basically is genuinely critical. USD to ETH forecast on Friday, April 14, cost 0.524 coins, really greatest 0.563, by and large least 0.489, showing how Ethereum cost commonly equivalent to $1,820.62 a coin incredibly. In about 14 days dollar to Ethereum figure on Monday, April 17, cost 0.544 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.585, certainly least 0.509 in an unpretentious way.